Welcome to Airbnb Experiences. Host events in business, art, health, and entertainment on Airbnb today. I'm so excited about the ability to host experiences on Airbnb because I think this is an awesome way for any of us to share our passion and be able to earn a bit back from it in a way that's great for everyone involved. It's great for someone who wants a unique experience. It's great for the host who's got this incredible journey and adventure to share. And it's great for Airbnb to provide a place to go look to make this connection. I'm grateful you're here in the course today. We're going to cover everything you want to know to get your experience approved on Airbnb. We're going to cover all the details, go through every single listing. I'll take a bit of a look now. We'll show you what we'll cover in this class. We'll cover all the details of your experience. When I first learned about experiences, this is all the stuff I wanted to know. How do you go through and create this? What things do you need to do to get your event and experience approved? What is all of the details and information you need to provide in order to host an experience? What considerations are there? For example, the meeting location, you want to think about that in advance. And little settings like this where you can put an option for private groups to book where people can get a guaranteed one-on-one for a much higher price. Little tips like that to help you get the very best results out of creating your experience. I'll show you a successful experience created by one of my business partners, Jewel and Arit with Essentino Artists. They were the ones who told me about Airbnb Experiences. They've got a perfect example of an approved business workshop. They're hosting a 2-hour workshop at their office. They've got 3 5-star reviews on it already, earning hundreds of dollars to have people come over and make valuable connections. These were organic discoveries as well. These were discoveries where they were found on Airbnb. That's what's so exciting about this. Even though Jewel and Ari have a YouTube channel with millions of views, these discoveries of their Airbnb came through Airbnb, which is really cool. There's a huge opportunity on Airbnb today to create experiences. Therefore, I'm here to show you exactly how to do that. It's a very timely opportunity. Airbnb experiences are still pretty new. I just heard about them. And many cities, like where I live, only have 4 or 5 experiences total. It is very easy to just look at a proven successful experience. For example, something in New York City where there's over 400 experiences. Take a proven experience, put your own skills and talents to figure out which one to offer, and offer a proven successful experience from New York City in your own local city. There's tons of opportunities with Airbnb experiences today to earn. As long as you go through and follow what is a fairly rigorous process of creating the experience. The one tip I'll give you in advance, you probably are going to need help with the photos. This is not a take a selfie and throw up a quick photo. You probably will need to plan from the beginning to get help with a photo and to put some serious time, maybe several hours, into writing and getting the experience. That said, once you get this done and get this approved, this could be an income source that just allows you to do what you love on a daily basis and earn good money, even if you don't have an established following for it yet. That is why this is so exciting. I'm grateful to share this with you today, and I'm excited to get started with you on the Airbnb Experiences class here together.